Very good morning, all of you students. My name is Birendra Kumar, and today in this video, I'll cover your verb. And this is a very interesting topic, so you must watch this video till the end so that you can understand it very good. And after watching this video, you must write these all things in your note copy so that you can understand it very good. So, my dear friends, let's start it from the very beginning. So, here is your first phase of this video. Welcome back students. So here is a verb. So let's see its definition. So what is verb? A verb is a word or a group of words that express an action or a state that is called verb. My dear friends, the word verb comes for the Latin word which means work. For example, go, jump, sleep, eat, think, be, change, and drive, etc. These are the example of verb. So my dear friends, let's see the example in a sentence. First one is he plays cricket. Second one, Rita eats a mango. And the third one, I think that you are right. So my dear friends, in this sentence here, plays, eats, and think. These are the example of verb. So let's move on into the next phase. Welcome back students. So let's see the types of verb. So as you know, there first one is your auxiliary verb and the second one is your main verb. And you know very well there are two verb in a auxiliary verb. So first one is your primary verb and the second one is modal. So in this video, I'll cover your main verb. So as you know very well, there are two types of main verb. First one is your transitive verb and the second one intransitive verb. So my dear friends, as you know very well, auxiliary verb are also called helping verb. So let's see the first one. Auxiliary verbs are verbs that are used together with the main verb of the sentence to express the action or state. Let's see the note. The main verb, the main auxiliary verb are be, am, is, are, was, were, do, did, have, has, had. Welcome back students. So let's see the example. As you know very well, the auxiliary verb are red and main verb is blue. The first example, they are dancing. The second example, she was sitting. And the third example, we were watching. So red one is your auxiliary verb and the blue words is your main verb. So let's see the next definition of compound verb. So what is your compound words? So my dear friends, as you know, after writing main verb, after auxiliary verb, that is called a compound verb. For example, was playing, has eaten, and don't play, etc. So my dear friends, was is your auxiliary verb and the playing is your main verb. So let's see the examples in a sentence. They are dancing here. The second one, you are doing work. And the third one, Ram is learning. So my dear friends, are, is your auxiliary verb and dancing, doing and learning, these are your main verb. Welcome back students. So let's see the stative verb. What is your stative verb? So my dear friends, let's see. Stative verb are verb that express a state rather than an action. For example, be seen, be, seem, love, want, sound, have, know, and understand, etc. So let's see the first example in a sentence. He seems rather strange, and the second one, he wants to see you. And the third one, that sounds awesome. And the fourth one, I have enough thing to do. So my dear friends, let's see the next definition of dynamic verb. What is your dynamic verb? Let's see. Dynamic verb are the opposite of static verb. They express a real action. For example, jump, swim, catch, rat, call. sleep, eat, open, and speak, etc. So these are the example of dynamic verb. So you must write this all thing because this is very useful. So let's move on. Welcome back, students. So here is an example of your dynamic verb. So let's see. They are swimming. The second one, you hit me. And the third one, open the window, please. So my dear friends, dynamic verb can be used in a progressive tenses. For example, he is drinking, and the second one, he drinks water. So these are the importance to all the students. So let's see the phrasal verb. What is phrasal verb? So as you know very well, let's see its definition. Phrasal verb is a verb that is completed with an adverb or a preposition. The combination creates a new meaning. For example, into, run into, and look up, etc. These are the example of phrasal verb. So let's see the example in a sentence. So first one, so let's see, he looks into my eyes. So my dear friends, thank you for watching, and we will also discuss more in the next video.